In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F05 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When it's ready, open it, hit OK, and go into Tab menu to edit it. In order to do that, use pen icon at the top, hit edit under full, look for your new shortcut and add it to current menu by holding and dragging it. Let go, hit done, go back, and finally click on your shortcut to access gray switcher next to allow permission. Click on it, go back one last time and tap on your new shortcut to finally activate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!